Hello students, this is the important question of management accounting, and the question is regarding difference of management accounting with financial accounting and cost accounting. First of all, we will do the difference of management accounting and financial accounting. In this question, you will write firstly the meaning of the financial accounting, which you have already done, and then the meaning of management accounting. And then we will come on the differences between financial and management accounting. So the differences are: financial accounting is the branch of accounting which keeps track of all financial information. And the management accounting is also a branch, but it records and reports both the financial and non financial information of the company. Users of financial accounting. Users are both internal management as well as external parties. But in the case of the management accounting, the users are internal management. Financial accounting is to be publicly reported, but the management accounting is for the use of the organization, so it is confidential. In the financial accounting, only monetary information is contained, but in the management accounting, both monetary as well as non monetary information, such as number of workers, quantity of raw material, quality, purchased, sold, etc., are all recorded. Financial accounting is done in the prescribed format according to the rules, but there is no such format for the management accounting. Financial accounting focuses on providing information about the functioning of the entity business to its users, but the management accounting focuses on providing information to help them in evaluating the performance and devising plans for the future. Financial accounting is mainly done for a specific period. Generally, it is for 1 year. But the management accounting is done as per the needs of the management. It may be quarterly, half yearly, etc. Financial accounting is compulsory for any company for auditing purposes. But management accounting is voluntary. So, no auditing is done. Financial accounting information is required to be published and audited by statutory auditors, but the management accounting, which does not require information to be published and audited, as they are of internal use only. There are certain similarities between financial accounting and management accounting. Used by internal management, both financial as well as management accounting are used by the internal management. Both helps in the evaluation of performance. Financial accounting and management accounting both are the branches of accounting, and it presents the position of the entity. So, financial accounting and management accounting are of great significance. In fact, they help the organization in various ways. As financial accounting is helpful in the proper record keeping of enormous transactions and comparison of the performance of two periods of an entity or between two entities, while management accounting is helpful in analyzing the performance, making a strategy, taking an effective judgment, and preparation of policies for the future. And the next is difference between management accounting and cost accounting. So in this, firstly, we will do the meaning of cost accounting and then the meaning of management accounting. Now, what is cost accounting? It is a method of collecting, recording, classifying, and analyzing the information related to cost. The information provided by it is helpful in the decision making process of manager. There are mainly three elements of cost, which are material, labor, and overheads, which can be directly classified as direct or indirect. The main aim of the cost accounting is to track the cost of production and fixed cost. This information is useful in reducing and controlling various costs. It is very similar to financial accounting, but it is not reported at the end of the financial year. Now, what are the differences between cost accounting and management accounting? The accounting relates to recording and analyzing of cost data is cost accounting, and the accounting related to producing information which is used by the management is management accounting. Cost accounting provides quantitative information only. On the contrary, management accounting provides both quantitative as well as qualitative. Cost accounting is a part of management accounting as the information is used by the managers for making decisions. The primary objective of the cost accounting is the ascertainment of the cost, but the main objective of management accounting is to provide information to managers for setting goals and for future activity. There are specific rules and procedures for preparing cost accounting information, but there are no certain rules and procedures in case of the management accounting, as it is according to the need. The scope of cost accounting is limited to cost data. However, the management accounting has a wider area of operation like tax, budgeting, planning, forecasting, analysis, etc. Cost accounting is related to ascertainment, allocation, distribution, and accounting phase of cost. On the other, management accounting associated with impact and effect aspect of cost. Cost accounting stresses on short range planning, but management focuses on long as well as short, for which it uses high level techniques such as probability structure, sensitivity analysis, etc. Management accounting can't be installed in the absence of cost accounting. But cost accounting has no such requirement. It can be installed without management accounting. So these are certain differences, and there are certain similarities also. Both are the branches of accounting. Both are helpful in decision making. And prepared for a particular period, not reported at the end of financial year as it is done in the case of the financial accounting. So at last we conclude both cost accounting and management accounting are a part of accounting. They are helpful for ensuring the smooth and efficient running of the business. On the basis of information provided by the two entities, various analyses are conducted. Cost accounting aims at reducing extra expenditure, eliminating unnecessary cost, and controlling various costs. But on the other hand, management accounting aims at the planning of policies, strategy formulation, setting goals, etc. Thank you.